Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a updated walk around video to haven't done one in a while. Anyways, let's go around here and start at the front. This is my 2005 Lexus GX470. It's got 322,000 miles on it. Starting at the front, we have a custom tube bumper that I built. I pulled the all the factory bumper plastics and stuff off. This is a Weston Max winch tray for like a second gen Tacoma that I welded to the frame and then built all the tubing around it. See, it's bolted in and welded in. For lights, these are KC Flex Era 4s. And then I have some amber fog lights, KC Flex Era 1s. Winch, I have an open road 13,000 pound winch with synthetic rope, rattle canned grill, and the emblem. Coming up here, we have a Lens Solar 100 watt solar panel on the hood. Coming around to the side, Dobinson snorkel, wheels and tires. These are 35, 12.5, 17 Toyo Open Country MTs wrapped around a Method bead grip 703. They are 17 by 9 with a -12 offset. Upper control arms, Icon Delta joints. Lowers are Super Pro double offsets. I have some GX460 CVs in there. Have Dobinson springs with Fox shocks in them. And then down on the bottom, I have full RCI aluminum skid plates. Moving along the side, RCI rock sliders. In the back, Dobinson springs again and Fox shocks. Coming up top, have some Rago Fabrication roof rack bars, I guess you call them. Max Tracks mounted on top of those. Oh yeah, and then the rear axle and the front differential are out of a Lexus GX460, so I have an 8.2 instead of the 8-inch, and they're 391 gears instead of the factory 373s. Coming around to the back, have Rago Fabrication light mounts with some KC Cyclones for. Have custom tire carrier I built. Built it off of a rigged supply hinge and platform, but I cut everything off and kind of welded it back together myself, offset like this. I cut the rear cross member out and made my own full-size spare. Let's open this thing up. So, as you can see, all this fully custom I built. Have this metal box that I keep all my extra fluids and stuff I don't want to get in the car. Pack out mount welded on there. If I can get that to go back in there left-handed. There we go. Hatch, all the stickers and such. Opening up the rear. More stickers. Have this metal table. Then up top here, I have this attic shelf. And then, let's see, Blue Eddy Elite 200 that's being fed off the solar panels. Have a fridge. And then have this this drawer that I built. This is like the fifth iteration of the back setup. Some recovery stuff, mat so you can sleep in it. Drawer, tools, cooking stuff. Okay. Oh yeah. Coming to the inside. Everything's pretty well factory. You know, of course, all my patches up top. And then my Milwaukee Pack-Out center console I built. A couple molly panels and such in here. Anyways, that is a quick down and dirty. Well guys, that's the end of it for this one. If you do me a favor, go ahead and give me a subscribe. It's free for you and it really helps me out. And be sure to tell your friends and even your enemies. And if you don't like this kind of content, well, sometimes growth is painful. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.